Test 15 topics, lesson 63, solving systems of linear equations using elimination. On your test, you're going to see this, but you're going to see it in the form of a word problem, so that's how we're going to practice it today. A movie theater sells 540 tickets to a matinee showing of a new animated feature. A child matinee ticket costs $5.50 and an adult matinee ticket costs $6. If the movie theater made $3,060 for that showing, how many adult tickets were sold? So if you remember from the word problem packet, the first thing you do is identify your variables. And you identify your variables based on the questions that you see here. So it asks us how many adult tickets were sold, which means we also don't know how many children tickets were sold. So we're going to make A the number of adult tickets sold and C the number of child tickets sold. The next thing we did in our word problem packet was we identified facts that create our equations. So we have one fact alone that deals with just all of the money. So we have $5.50 for adults, or for child, $6 for adults, and a grand total of $3,060. So that would be 5.50C plus 6A equals 3,060. The second fact in this problem is the fact that they sold 540 total tickets. So that means that the child tickets plus the adult tickets equals 540. At this point, we have our system of equations, and we now just need to set it up for solving, or just to solve in general. So we're going to use substitution or elimination. Because I have both variables on the same side in both equations, it's probably easier to set it up using elimination. So that is where we need to multiply one of the equations to get one of the variables to be equal but opposite. I'm going to go ahead and multiply the bottom equation by -6 so I can make my a's equal but opposite. So that makes this equation -6c minus 6a. And then I also need to multiply the 540 by -6, and I get -3,240. Now I'm going to just transfer the other equation down. And I'm going to add my two equations. So I get -0.5c, these cancel, equals -180. Now I divide both sides by -0.5, so C equals 360. And then because C plus A equals 540 from before, right here, 360 plus A equals 540, so A equals 180. So A equals 180. And C equals 360. So my final answer, I don't want to put the variables in it, so they sold 180 adult tickets. That was really all the question was asking, was how many adult tickets, but I'm going to go ahead and throw in 360 child tickets. And this would be my final answer.
Made with DoodleCast Pro.